Want your clients back online faster in the event of an outage? Well, here is a little known tip that will get your New Zealand clients with UFB services back online faster in the event of an outage. The best restore targets on offer have a 6-hour restore target. You'll get these on Core Small Business Fibre services and all categories above that. You'll also get a 6-hour restore target on the other UFB carriers BS3 services. But you know that being offline or failing over to a secondary service for 6 or more hours isn't acceptable or necessarily practical and could cost a small fortune in data charges if failing over to 4G or 5G. Fortunately, you can now add a critical response service for most of the LFCs. It is little known, but most LFCs will have a 2-hour critical response option to get you operational ASAP. The cost can vary, but is below $1,000 for all carriers. Now, that may seem expensive at first, but work out the cost of your business or your customers being impacted by either total connectivity lost, reduced performance, or the 4G or 5G data charges, and it starts to look pretty good. Now, of course, there are some caveats, which are fault resolution is not guaranteed as a result of a site visit. If the technician does not arrive at site within the critical response timeframe, 2 hours, they will advise you at the earliest possible time that they can have a technician at your premises and you won't incur the charge. The service level is met if the technician is on site at either an exchange, cabinet, or the customer site within 2 hours. If you want to know more, just reach out to your Lightwire account manager or get in touch via sales@lightwirebusiness.com.